Your global nation states, wherever you are living, are actively in a debt and fiat debasement cycle, whereby everything that was inflated in the everything assets bubble is currently being deflated, and you are not noticing because of being a nominal normie. The value of your house is still the same in dollars, euros, pounds. You think your stock market portfolio actually went up a little bit. Gold went up 70% is all you need know. Everything else went down by whatever they went up, less than 70%. That's your NASDAQ, that's your everything, your positioning. Your unit of account is not your fiat of your nation that you are residing in. Your unit of account is 100% a gold ounce, and it is international, and it doesn't scream. There's no board, there's no committee that's going to push it. They are running a shell game against you. You are the marks. It is an adversarial system. They need you to stay put and not understand what is going on so that they can continue to accelerate that which they are doing. You are in a financial war.